What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you this muffler I'm about to throw on this Tahoe. So the Tahoe has now become my vehicle. I put the wife in a new ride, so I've taken over the Tahoe. And like any other vehicle, I can't just leave it alone. So tomorrow I am having an exhaust system put on it. But I wanted to show you the muffler I'm going to go with, and I haven't seen this put on a car in a long time. It's very popular in the late 90s and early 2000s on the LS1 cars, Trans Ams, Camaros. I don't think the GTOs ran it, but the Camaros and the Trans Ams really had it. And with long tube headers, it was a really good sounding setup. So let me get this camera flipped around and show you what we're dealing with. All right, so I'm going to be putting a Hooker Areo Chamber 3-inch center, 3-inch out on this Tahoe. Single in, single out. It's not a race truck by any stretch of the imagination, so should sound pretty good. Here's the actual muffler here. I will do my best to show you some internals. It's a chambered muffler, but it has an acceleration chamber in it, and it's pretty much straight through. So let me see if I can get a light shined on the back side of it, show you the inside. All right, I'm sorry for the crappy picture, but as you can see, it's straight through. You can kind of see the acceleration chamber, as they call it, in there. I'll get a picture off their website so you can see what it is, but anyway, this is going on the Tahoe tomorrow. So I'll get you some exhaust clips after I get it mounted tomorrow, show you what it sounds like. Still have the factory manifolds and the factory converters on it, so we're just going to run this muffler and a full 3-inch tailpipe. The factory's 2 3/4, so we'll just run the full 3-inch and see what happens. But as you can see on the bench, I'll get you a quick shot, a little teaser. We have a lot of parts on the table, and there's some cool things coming for 9 Line Garage. So hope you will subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Help me out. We're doing pretty good with our subscribers, so thank you all for subscribing and watching. See you soon. God bless.